EduCuties TV!
Wow. Do you know the world's biggest vehicles? Let's meet some giant machines today. Ready? Let's go. Dump truck. This truck is super big and carries tons of rocks. Bulldozer. It pushes heavy soil and clears land easily. Excavator. Its long arm digs deep into the ground. Crane. It lifts tall and heavy things up high. Cement mixer truck. It spins round and round, mixing concrete. Road roller. It flattens roads to make them smooth. Wheel loader. It scoops up sand and stones with its big bucket. Forklift. It lifts heavy boxes in factories and warehouses. Mining truck. A huge truck that works deep in mines. Tower crane. It builds tall skyscrapers. Fire truck. It's big, bright red, and saves lives. Oil tanker truck. It carries huge amounts of fuel. Garbage truck. It keeps our cities clean every day. Tractor. A strong helper on the farm. Combine harvester. Cuts and collects grains in fields. Trailer truck. Long trucks that carry goods across countries. Container ship. The biggest ship that carries hundreds of containers. Cargo ship. Moves heavy goods across the sea. Ferry. Carries cars and people across rivers and oceans. Aircraft carrier. A floating airport for fighter jets. Submarine. A giant that travels deep under the sea. Jet plane. Super fast and powerful. Helicopter. Flies with spinning blades. Space shuttle. A massive rocket that goes to space. Rocket. Blasts off into the sky with fire and power. Train. long and heavy, carrying passengers far away. Bullet train. A sleek, super-fast giant. Freight train. Pulls heavy boxes and coal. Metro train. Carries hundreds of people through cities. Snowplow. Clears snowy roads with a big front blade. Street sweeper. Cleans roads with big rotating brushes. Cement pumper truck. Pumps cement high into buildings. Log loader. Lifts and carries huge tree logs. Tank. A strong army vehicle with heavy armor. Army truck. Carries soldiers and supplies. Rescue helicopter. Helps people during emergencies. Fire helicopter. Drops water on big fires. Jetliner. A huge passenger airplane for long trips. Space rocket. The biggest flying machine ever built. Dragline excavator. It's a super giant machine used for digging mines. Tunnel boring machine. It drills huge tunnels under the ground. Space rocket launcher. It lifts rockets into space. Crawler crane. A heavy crane that moves on big tracks. Bucket wheel excavator. The world's largest digging machine. Heavy haul truck. It carries giant loads in mines and quarries. Airport fire truck. Super large fire truck that protects airplanes. Wow! Those were the biggest vehicles in the world. Which one did you like most? See you next time for more learning fun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.